Hi guys, since we're learning about plants and flowers this week, we're going to read a story called A Bean's Life. It's about what grows from a bean shoot. Life cycles. All living things have a life cycle. This is like what we talked about last week when we read the Butterfly Life book. A bean has a life cycle. A bean is a seed. It grows into a new bean plant. The bean plant grows beans. The life cycle starts again. Seeds and shoots. A bean grows in the ground. Roots grow down from the seed into the ground. So this is the root under the ground. A shoot grows from the bean. Here's the shoot. See, the root is at the bottom, the bean, and then the shoot. Leaves grow from the shoot. Here are the leaves. Becoming a bean plant. The bean plant makes its own food from water, sunlight, and air. The bean plant grows bigger. Look how big. See this whole thing? This grew from that little tiny bean and the root at the bottom. Remember that? The bean plant grows flowers in the spring. The flowers are white with dark spots. Here are the flowers. So these bean plants grow flowers and leaves. Making seeds. A bee comes to feed on a flower. The bee has pollen on it. The pollen helps make new beans grow on the plant. So here's a new bean growing. The beans grow inside a pod. See? Here's a pod that grows, and then the beans are inside of them. The pods look lumpy when the beans are grown. Some beans fall to the ground. The life cycle starts again. See? The beans fall out of the pods onto the ground, and they go under the ground, and it starts all over again. So what we were talking about with the root, and then the shoot comes, and the leaves, and the flowers, and then the bees come, and they bring their pollen, and then a new bean life begins. So here we go. Here's a life cycle of a bean plant. A bean seed grows in the ground. The bean plant grows bigger. The bean plant grows flowers. The flowers turn beans into pods. And then all over again, it keeps going and going and going. And we can look at the picture glossary over here, which shows us a pod is the tough outer case that protects seeds such as beans. Pollen is a yellow powder inside of a flower. A root is a part of a plant that grows underground. Roots take up water for the plant to use. A shoot is a small green stem that grows from a seed. That is it. The end. Hi guys.